Hi friends, Kumud here. Our garden needs constant attention all the time. And the day you missed it, you'll miss some plants' health also. And especially when one is keeping so many plants in one's garden, one tends to neglect a few plants also. Not intentionally, but it happens. So I try my level best to keep my all the pots uh, in a proper shape, and here I am transplanting a petunia. It's the season for petunias, so I'm doing that. And today I'm going to show you, friends, the corners I have built in my garden. And winters are coming, so I'm bringing all the plants which were in my driveway to the verandas. So let's see that, friends, and tell me what improvement I can further do to enhance the looks of my garden. So this is a vertical stand, and I have put quite a lot of plants here. My spider plants, philodendron, golden philodendron, then some ferns, then baby tears, and some pothos, then some aglaonemas, syngoniums, peace lilies, and some that cycas palm, and then one plant which you can see, variegated one, that's called Laila Majnu. Weird name. So these plants will go slowly in dormancy. That means that they will not have much growth, very slight growth. If it happens at all, then very slight growth will happen there. And at the back side you can see the Calathea plant. Calathea surprisingly has picked up its growth, and after monsoon this was not doing well at all. Now it has picked up. So here are some plants, friends. Then fox tail palm. These are small plants, and here are some succulent plants. I am not very good in succulents. I have to learn from you people who are doing succulents so very well, I can't tell you. And I am all praise for those friends. So I got to learn. And this is one corner I'm going to show you in detail. This is right in front of you with the palm. I'll show you the corner. And some new plants also I have planted in my bed, this lawn bed. And you can see my this lawn garden is a rectangular one, and I have made flower beds all around it. Some get nice sunshine, some don't get. So the ones which get good sunshine, they do pretty well. But it's nothing like the terrace garden I have got, and you people also have got. Terraces do very well for flowering plants, but at ground level we can't do much of flower gardening, as you all know. You must have experienced it yourself, friends. And this, alongside the wall of the lawn, these plants are just perennial, permanent kind of plants, and they are not flowering plants, but because they are not going to flower there. So this is a huge bed of flowers I have made just to keep my flowering plants here, because this place gets good sunlight, bright sunlight. And this is the first corner of my lawn, friends. Here I have planted this sweet potato vine. This gives good color to the to any garden. And this variegated this agave, yes. And then pothos is climbing on the tree. I don't like trees in the gardens, but then it was planted long time back in my absence, and I can't help it. So this is another corner, and this I have recently made, so I have kept all my tools and spray bottles also there. These are again philodendron kind of Xanadu plant it is called, and this is Erica palm. All these plants will go in dormancy, friends, but we have to just make them survive somehow. This is another corner right in front of you. I have made use of PVC pipes here, try to give some light to the plants by keeping the planters on the PVC pipes. So this is a good way. It gives some height also, and it gives, you know, some space to all the plants. So this is the bed I was talking. This is a huge bed, and I'm keeping all my flowering plants here. Most of them, I mean. These are palms, friends, and at the left side you can see the coleus varieties. I have about I think 7, 8 or maybe more than that coleus varieties. This is another corner, friends, and some chrysanthemums are almost done, means they have bloomed already, and now next month maybe, yes, by 15th they will have spent their glories, so I'll remove them there. And these chrysanthemums, this is an old plant and this is bloomed already, but this is still giving good color to my garden. Another chrysanthemums, and these caladiums you see at the left side, they are almost done. I have put some these swans of these they look good. These cute things look good. And this is another corner, friend. I have tried to make a brighten it up by putting these poinsettias there, and these are the new chrysanthemums, you know, which I have made from my cuttings. So they have not bloomed even yet, so the garden is not going to lose much of color even if the earlier ones are spent and removed from the garden. So friends, give me some suggestions like how I can improve on certain things, because no garden is perfect in my opinion. There are always chances of improvements. So if you like my video, please subscribe, like it, and share it. And see you in the next video then. Happy gardening, friends. Be happy. Stay safe.